Hello, CF50. My name is Juan Manuel Bogarin. I am from Buenos Aires, Argentina, and my final project is a Wordle solver. For those that are not familiarized with Wordle, it's quite a fun game that consists of finding a 5-letter word. You have 6 attempts for it, and Wordle will let you know if either each letter is correct and in the correct position. Also, it will let you know if the letter is included in the word but not in that position, or if the letter is not included at all. So over to the code, I used some libraries like regular expressions, time, and Selenium to navigate through the web page. For the different words, I used this dictionary that I found on GitHub, and later I filtered it by words of exactly length 5. One thing to point out here is that, as it turns out, you're going to solve the Wordle much quicker if you start with the word tails. So the very first word will be tails, but after that, it will be the job of the code to figure out which word to send to Wordle. So let's give it a try. It will get rid of instructions. It's going to start with tails. Then Barrett is not within the Wordle dictionary. It will get rid of that. Batia, the same. Bait, it is included. And finally, cater is the word of today. So thank you very much and goodbye.